Sa salary rate to eh. So, entry level mo is kung beginner ka or no experience, 5 to 15 USD per hour. And kung bongga-bongga naman ang pagka-expert mo, expert level ka na, so 30 to 75 plus per hour. Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng online job or anything na pwedeng pagkakitaan online? Sa video na ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang mga job openings na pwede para sa iyo as a beginner or walang experience, yung expectations, at syempre ang pinaka-importante ay ang salary rate para ma-estimate nyo na kung magkano nga ba ang possible na kikitain nyo if ma-hire na tayo dito. So stay tuned lang para wala kayong ma-miss na info. Company na pag-uusapan natin today ay FreeUp. Kaya nandito na tayo sa website ng FreeUp. Ang page nila, scroll down tayo. So nakalagay dito access to the top 1% of online talent. So nakalagay dito best of the best from the start. So kailangan seryosohin nyo yung pag-apply dito. Yung online application form, gandahan nyo na para salang kayo for interview and give your best shot. Kasi talagang sinasala nila lahat ng mga applicants. Tapos, mabilis yung hiring process nila. Hire within days, not weeks or months. So, we'll pair you with a qualified candidate based on your job description within 24 hours. O, diba? Bongga. Tapos, meron din silang concierge level support and services. And then, explore natin tong mga category nila. Merong 6 dito. So, merong web development. Ito kung may experience ka as web developer, you can try this. Graphic design, kung magaling ka sa infographics, kung expert ka sa paggamit ng Adobe Photoshop or Canva, you can try to apply dito sa graphic design. Kung may experience ka as BPO or call center agent na gusto mo na mag-work from home, you can try this customer service. Ito, mag-handle ka lang ng mga phone calls, live chats, support tickets, and itong digital marketing naman, Amazon, product listing, sourcing. So, ito parang more on, ang naisip ko, parang kailangan may experience ka sa affiliate marketing, parang ganon. And yung copywriting naman, ito yung sales copy, yung product listing, sales funnels. So, pwede nyo yan siyang i-click kung gusto nyo pang i-explore. So, 6 yan. Then, punta tayo dito sa 3 levels of expertise daw. So, ito, sa salary rate to eh. So, entry level mo is kung beginner ka or no experience, 5 to 15 USD per hour. Kung mid-level naman na may experience ka, and so 15 to 30 per hour yan. And kung bongga-bongga naman ang pagka-expert mo, expert level ka na, so 30 to 75 plus per hour. So, dito tayo balik tayo sa top. So, try na natin. Dito tayo sa apply as freelancer. So, click natin. So, nakalagay dito, freelancer job openings, work remote as a freelancer, so job opening. Pero before we click that, ito yung mga pros. Kapag na-hire ka hours, you can set your own rates, build your portfolio, so free monthly webinars. Ito makakatulong to mag-add up ng skills nyo or ma-enhance pa yung skills nyo. Tsaka fan Slack community. Ito more on like a WhatsApp or Messenger group application na messenger. So, lalawak pa yung community nyo, which is good din naman. Tapos, eto na yung openings niya. By the way guys, hindi lang pala sa Pilipinas open to. So, talagang medyo talaga yung competition. So, meron sa Brazil, Mexico, Philippines, and United States. So, itry natin yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pwedeng no experience. Dito sila nagtatry, remote customer service specialist. Ito for BPO or yung mga experience sa customer service. Ito dito, yung mga walang experience pa. So, data entry, pwede nyo itong itry kasi pag i-click nyo itong apply, hindi naman ganun ka technical yung requirements. Like ito siya, highlights natin. Extensive experience in data entry and management, extensive experience in Excel, Google Docs, and other similar data, strong English communication skills, excellent internet, must be able to respond to client within 1 day business. So, hindi masyadong ganun ka-technical. Pwede nyo i-try. So, i-click natin tong apply to position. Then, upload nyo yung resume nyo. Or kung meron kayong Indeed, pwede nyo i-link doon. Or LinkedIn, pwede nyo i-link yung application nyo doon. Then, ito lang naman, personal details, madali lang. Lagay nyo lang yung full name nyo, email address, phone numbers, and address. So, ito, nag-sample lang ako. So, madali lang naman siyang sagutan. Nasagutan ko siya siguro less than 20 minutes. Itong cover letter mo. Tapos, how long have you been freelancing? So, ito guys, may option naman na 0 to 1 year. So, meaning, pwede ka nilang i-accept kahit wala ka pang experience. Ilagay mo lang dito na easy to answer naman, hindi rin ganun ka-technical. So, after nyan, ilagay mo lang submit application. Make sure na nakompleto mo lahat kasi hindi ka magpo-proceed not unless nakompleto mo, and make sure na nakapag-upload ka ng resume mo. So, itry natin yung iba. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo medyo technical. Ito si customer service specialist. Kung yung may mga experience sa BPO or yung mga call center agent, you can try this. Ito, medyo technical lang siya ng konti. Ito, nakalagay, prior experience daw as customer service rep, experience with CRM tools like Salesforce, high level of organizational skills, top tier, communication and collaboration skills, tsaka itong experience using word processing software and tools. So, pwede mo rin namang itry, apply yan, why not? So, yun lang guys. Ayan, marami pa dito. Remote copywriting position, sales agent, Facebook ad expert, remote full stack developer. Pero, i-check nyo yung country ha. Kasi kung nasa Philippines kayo, di yung from Philippines lang din yung applyan nyo. So, that's it. So, bantayan nyo kung may email kayo or tawag kayo for interview. Then, galingan nyo guys. Paghandaan nyo. Be honest. At kung seryoso naman kayo sa application nyo, for sure naman na ma-accept kayo. So, yun lang.